going on, y'all? Just getting off work, getting ready to head to the honey hole. I love this time of year when the time change, when the spring pulls. That means I got some extra time to work or extra time to fish. But today I'm gonna try a little something different. I'm gonna start off using top water lures. So I'm gonna use a few of them. Not gonna spend a whole lot of time if they're not hitting on it. I'm just gonna go back to my old trusty worm. Normally I would use top water once it, warm up a little bit. I feel like the bass be more active when it's warmer. But the last time I was out there, I heard a few bass, slapping the top of the water, so they had to been feeding on something. So we gonna get in and try today. And see how they work. Like I said, I'm gonna fish it for a little while. If I can't get anything to hit, then I'm gonna go back to my old trusty worm. But I'll see you guys when I get to the honey hole. Let me put this code in the gate and we'll be on our way. Moving too fast. Start pushing the wrong buttons. I get excited when I get out here. Yes, indeed. Where we in, y'all. A lot of times you'll see deer coming across this little old road right here. There's plenty of deer out here, but I'm not allowed to do any hunting, only fishing. The family leased this land out to a deer club, and they're the only ones that can hunt out here. Which I'm fine with that. Like I have a choice. But oh man, it's so still out here. You look like you can walk across that water. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get some of these bass to hit this top water with these top water lures that I got. And like I said, I'm gonna fish that for a little while. If that don't pop off, then I'm going back to the old trusty worm. Well guys, let me get on up out of here so I can get set up and situated, and I'll be seeing you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a little top water fishing today. We're gonna see what we can do, and this is the lure that I'm fishing with. It's called a top water prop lure, and it's got that little prop just like a propeller. Oh, can y'all see that? I'm way down, but yeah, it's got that little old propeller thing on there. So we gonna see what we can do with this. Like I said before, we gonna try for a little while. If I can't get nothing to hit, then we gonna go on back to that worm. Let's see. Hey, that top water fishing is fun, man. If y'all never tried it, that's something to try. My dad used to take me fly fishing, man. He taught me how to fly fish, and I got pretty good in fly fishing, but I haven't done it in years. So, oh man, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? How did I miss them with these treble hooks on there? I think it scared me, y'all. I think it scared me, and that was on the first cast. Oh, man. That scared I don't know what I'd be. Oh, man, oh, man. I'm tickled to death, y'all. I'm tickled to death. But the top water fishing is fun. And apparently it's a little scary too, because it scares I don't know what out of me. I'm sitting up there running my mouth. I wasn't expecting that big old splash like that. Oh, man. Let's see if we can hook one this time. I'm still tickled behind that. Now this is a prop lure, so I'm gonna fish this one a little fast and see if I can bring them out of there, y'all. Get out there. See a lot of bait fish. It's moving. Oh, there we go. There we go, baby. There we go. He came and slammed that thing off the top water. Come on in here. He came and slammed it, y'all. Yes, sir. Now, that's all. Come on. Don't do me like that. Come on. I can't find my line, y'all. I'm so excited. He came and smashed that thing, y'all. Look at him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man, them treble hooks got him, too. He wasn't going nowhere. Let me get my pliers. Oh, once again, let me see. Okay, I got him in my pocket. I got a doggone holster for these and still stuck them in my pocket. Yes, sir. That's all right. Hey, we gonna stick with this top water for a minute and see if we can pick up a few more, y'all. That top water fishing, man, if you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. It's a whole different feel. I got both of these stringers all tied up together. Get that one out the way. We're gonna start off with the blue one. Come on through that. Yes, sir. He got to be about a 2-pounder. He got to be at least 2. Yes, sir. Let's get him in the water, y'all, so I can get back in the water. Make sure that string in there tight, because he pulling. All right. All right, let's get that thing back in the water and see what happens, y'all. Oh, I got him hit, boy. They hitting it. He didn't seem like a big one to wait. Oh, look at that. He hit right at the bank, y'all. Look at that. They tearing this top water up. Come on in here, baby. Yes, sir. You know, I didn't think that they was going to hit this top water like this today, because most of the time, you know, bass more active. Well, top water is more effective in warmer water, or warmer weather. And it's still, you know, like in the 60s, but yeah. One hit and miss. I don't know if it was the same one, but either he came back and hit it, or somebody else got to it before he could. Put them on the stringer here, and we're gonna get on back out there. And that's what you call a back-to-back. That was a back-to-back there. Let's see if we can get back out there. Get my little pliers off the ground. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can get out there and get another one like the other one. Oh, right at the bank, y'all. Look at that. He hit, boy. He hit. Oh, he hit. He hit, baby. Come on in here. Come on in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, that top water popping today, baby. Hey. Hey. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. And when these treble hooks stick in them, they in there. You got to have some pliers when you're working with these treble hooks. Man, I hope y'all getting this action when these things hitting that water. I guess I got this camera at the right angle. I got it I caught myself trying to aim it down a little bit so y'all can see when they hit. But man, this top water is just, man. And this is the lure, once again, that I'm using. It's got a little propeller, they call it a prop. So it's a top water prop lure. Let's get back out there, y'all. Oh, man. Let's see what we can do, y'all. I'm just reeling it across there. at a steady little pace. And they knocking the devil out of it. They knocking the devil out of it, y'all. Look at right at the bank. They killing it, y'all. They killing it. I think they hitting this faster than they will hit the worm. Boy, this, hey man. Ooh, he splashed me then, I'm sorry. Yeah, yes sir. Boy, I'm just tickled to death. And it's been a while since I've done any top water fishing. And so I know this sun was splashing the last time I was out here. So I said, well, the next time I'm gonna try a little top water, and yeah. There we go. Hey man, those treble hooks are dangerous. Let me put my little pliers up right quick. I got a little holster, y'all. I bought me a little multi tool thing. I got a knife, screwdriver, some needle nose. I haven't even checked it all out yet. I just got these today, so that way I think I'll be able to keep up with my pliers and have them on me at all times. Okay, let's get this hook untangled. All right, hey man, I hadn't moved yet since I hit the first one. Let's see if we can get another, y'all. And I'm talking about they really hitting right when they get to the bank. And they smashing it too, y'all. They smashing it. Ooh, I might hit the. Yeah, I had to cut that one a little short. Boy, this some fun. That little propeller thing, it's it's making some noise and some vibrations through that water too, man. I think that's what attract them to it. I may fish the top water all day today and not even worry about switching over to the worm, but we'll see. This top water so much fun, man. Y'all just don't understand. Oh, look at that there, boy. He smashed it, man. He smashed it. Fish on. He smashed it. He smashed it. Come on in here, big boy. I love it. I love it. I'm talking about, boy, they smashing this thing here, man. Oh, man. I just bought this little old lure today when I was at Walmart. Hey, I got to get a couple more of them because they loving it. They are loving it. Oh man, this is so much fun, man. I think I'm gonna stick with with this top water today. I already got enough for dinner. So if I don't catch another one today, I'm all right with that. But they are killing this top water. And I didn't think they was gonna be this active this early, you know. The water haven't even warmed up good yet. Let's see if we can get a back-to-back, y'all. I'm talking about they are smashing it. They hitting with authority. With authority, y'all. Trying to come down that bank side. Bring it on into the pocket. Well, I'm hoping I'm getting some good footage of this. The way they hitting it. Oh man, this is fun. Let's see. Going crossways now. Oh man, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing right down this bankside and come down that bankside, y'all. And I'm a little bit too far out of range, but I'm just gonna reel it in this way. I really wanted to get a little closer, but the cast didn't come out like I wanted to. Oh, one hit it then. He barely hit it. That must have been a little one hitting at it. He didn't hit it with authority. I think he tried to hit it. I actually think he missed it. Let's give him another try at it, y'all. There we go. That's where I want it. Right down that bankside. I got tangled up in a little something. Oh, I'm still tickled to death the way these things hitting this top water, man. Y'all just don't understand. But this little joker here then did his job today, man. Yes, indeed. All right. I got my lure twisted up. Let's get on out there, man, and see if we can get a few more. Walk back down here where I was. Let me walk back down here where I started out at, y'all. See if I can get them back popping. And I'm moving that lure pretty fast. And hey, I'm talking about they smacking it. Oh, I missed that one, boy. I don't know how. I didn't even feel it, but the splash what got me. I thought he had it. Most of the time when they hit the top of the water like that, man, they got it. So I'm assuming he had it, but I didn't even feel it. I just saw the, yeah. There you go, got him that time, y'all. Oh, got him that time, y'all. Hey, I think the bigger one was hitting too, man, because I hadn't really caught no throwbacks. Look at him, y'all. Hold on, Scam Booger. Hold on. Oh, I think I can get him without the pliers. Oh, the other hook just, let me get my pliers so I won't hook myself. Look at that, y'all. Man, when I tell you this top water fishing, man, is so fun. And you know, I haven't done it in a while, so boy, I'm just so excited and amped up about it. I don't know, y'all. Oh man, look at this, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's dinner, y'all. That's dinner. I smoked some bass the other day or the other night on the grill, man, and man, you talking about delicious. So I might end up doing that again. Yeah. I might end up doing that again. Let's see if we can get another one, y'all. Let's see if we can go back to back. I'm talking about they hitting that top water with authority. Kind of remind me, you know, when my dad taught me to fly fish, we used to do a lot of fly fishing. And boy, I was something else throwing that fly. I can put it wherever I want to put it. And we was fishing for mostly brim, but you know, them bass will hit that fly too. But man, to my brim fishing, fly fishing, oh man, that's some fun. I think I'm gonna get me a fly rod, and I know I'm gonna have to do a little practicing, cause I mean, you know, I've done it before, but it's been a while, so I know I'm rusty. So, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit of that when it warm up, when them brim start to smack in the top of the water, going after them bugs. Water here. I don't know if it's a lot of bait fish or a small brim, but I'm gonna cast in this area and see if one of them big boys will come hit it. I just seen a lot of movement over here, so hey, let's see what's happening. I'm coming right into that area too. Could have just been a lot of bait fish or school. Oh, something hit. It was a small one though. I saw when he came up and hit. And look at me, y'all. I ain't got tangled up in these doggone trees. Let's see if I can get this without. Okay, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. So some did hit it. Didn't hit it with no authority, but it hit it. We gonna throw back across that and come back across that same little path. I'm so excited I can't even talk, y'all. Let's see what we can come up with. Oh yeah, they jumping. So I'm chasing them. Y'all saw that? Oh well, y'all probably didn't see it. But yeah, it was a lot of movement right there, and then a big splash. You can see the bait fish scattering. Probably some minnows or some small brim, or probably some small bass. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this thing to my phone just to see if I'm getting some good footage after this cast right here. Cause I'm hoping y'all are seeing it when the fish actually come to the top of the water and hit that lure. Ooh, there's something splashing in this water, boy. They chasing them bait fish. But what's hitting the top of the water don't seem like it's too big. I believe that's what hit me the last time, and I missed him. I'll come back this way and see. Then I'm gonna check this footage on this phone. On this camera, and see if I'm getting some good footage of these bass coming to the top hitting this lure. I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. I had to check some of the footage, and I think it was at a pretty good angle. But I'm gonna aim my camera down, which I probably should have just left it like it was. But yeah. Yeah. Let's see if we can get one coming off that bank. See if we can draw them away from that bank. Oh, I'm tickled to death, y'all. I am tickled to death. Oh, there you go. There you go, y'all. There you go. Ooh, look at that. He a ballerina. He did a dance. He did a dance then, y'all. Oh, yes, sir. Man, I'm just tickled to death today, man. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done top water. I forgot how fun it is. And I really wasn't expecting all this action on the top water today. But yeah. Yes, indeed. Let me get these pliers folded back right. Okay. Man. I don't even want to leave. I know I got enough for dinner for 2 nights. Maybe even 3. If I don't invite nobody for dinner. Oh, let's get out here and do it again, y'all. See if we can do it again. I'm talking about they smashing it. Let me move down here. I done seen a lot of motion in the water. So we gonna see if I can hit one in this direction. Back to my string. I done caught them all right here. Oh. He hit, baby. I was trying to get a mosquito off my arm. I just let it pause there for a minute, and boy, he hit it. He ain't no big one. He fighting like one. But I think I can get a couple fillets out of him. Oh, he shook that out of his mouth. I ain't even got to worry about that no more. Look at that. He shook it out of his mouth and it hooked him right there in the... Oh, let me put that down for them hooks spring off into my hand. Yeah. Man, this time, I know I keep saying to y'all, but hey, you'll have to experience to really understand what that top water is all about. The feeling. And just seeing when the fish hit your lure. It's exciting. You know, I'm gonna try that method because the last one hit. I paused for a minute to brush this mosquito off my hand, and I guess it was a mosquito. It was something on my hand, and when I made that pause, that's when he hit it. So the lure was just sitting there floating on top of the water. So I'm gonna kind of mix that in with my retrieve and see. To kind of stop and go and see what happens. Let's try it again, y'all. No, that didn't seem to work. So I'm gonna go back with just a steady retrieve. I see a lot of activity over here on the top of the wall. Oh, here you go. That's a little one there, boy. The little one hit it, y'all. now that thing about as big as him. He ain't got no business. Hey, he ain't got no business trying to hit that. I think that's all the little motion. Saw that these little scoundrels one moving in the water. He ain't got no business. This thing, look at it, y'all. Let me see if I can get this out without getting my pliers. They almost the same size. His mouth ain't even big enough, like talking about to swallow that thing. Man, he get choked trying to swallow this lure. Look at him, y'all. Oh. Oh. You go back and tell your big brother I'm looking for him. You're going to cast back this way. I said, well, I ain't did no walking today, y'all, like talking about. Oh, it's so much fun. I got a little. Oh, he hit that one, boy. He hit it with a authority. Authority. I got a little knot in my line on that last cast, too. He hit it with a little authority. Uh-oh. That knot then came in action. It then stopped up my whatchamacallit. I'm going to have to drag him up on the bank. I'm going to have to drag him on the bank, y'all. That knot right at the tip end of that eye. I saw it when I did that last cast. I think when I hit that tree, something had happened. Ooh wee, look at that. He tried to swallow that thing, y'all. Look at him. I know I'm gonna have to pause this video, see if I can get this knot out of my line without having to cut it and re-rig, but that's probably what I'm gonna have to do, cause that knot probably got pretty tight. Let me get these pliers. Boy, this is so much fun. Yes, sir. Let me walk him down and put him on the line and try to get my line situated. Get me a few more casts in, cause I got some fish to clean, baby. I got some fish to clean today, and I ain't been out here that long. Whew, well, I'll be back, y'all. Let me get this line straightened out. All right, y'all, I'm back. I had to cut my line. That knot had and draw tight in there, and retie my lure on there. Let's get back out there and see what's happening. Well, y'all, I'm gonna call it a day today. And it was a good day. It was a good day. I wasn't out here long, man, and look what I come out with. Look what I come out with, y'all. Yes, indeed. Let's see. Let's see. That's a nice little stringer, y'all. That's a nice little stringer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got a little weight on there. Gonna drop them in this bucket, and it's time to exit the honey hole. Get on up in there. I got some cleaning to do, y'all. I'm gonna put that fillet knife on them. It ain't gonna take them long, but it ain't gonna take me long. All right. Well, it's been real. I appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. Until the next time, y'all already know. Peace. What's going on, y'all? Hey, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me this evening, man. I had a time. Today we did some top water fishing. And it's been a while since I've done top water fishing, man. It's a lot different experience than just I don't know, man. Top water it's just something different. It's something special. It's a lot more exciting when you actually see the fish come up and smack your lure. And they was hitting out there with authority today, baby. But man, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me once again. And hey, man, like, share, subscribe. I got a lot more videos, different stuff that I'm gonna be doing on this channel. So hey, y'all stick with me, man, and I'll talk to you guys later. Until the next time, peace. Yes, indeed.